morning and welcome to day 73. I really did not want to get up this morning. Had my alarm set for 6:15 to get up and do my daily routine of exercises, but talked myself into sleeping in a little bit longer instead. And now I'm regretting that because I think I'm more awake when I actually get up earlier and do that. Oh well. I was told to jump in Frank and ease my way down the trail, so that's what I'm doing, is I'm easing my way down the trail. The reason why I'm a little bit more tired than usual is the fact that I stayed up longer than I should have, but I had bills that needed to be done, and even though I knew today was Sunday and they wouldn't be in the mail, it's just something else that I had sitting there knowing that needed to be taken care of, so I thought I might as well just get it done, especially before the next package of mail shows up, which we had a little bit of a problem with that. It's no big deal, but the last two packages of mail got sent to Hardin instead of to Jordan. Just a little bit of a mix-up. So when all the mail gets here, it will be quite a chore to go through and separate and get the bills that I'm sure that will be overdue paid and out the door again. It's just one of those things. We are on the eve of a couple of pretty hot days. I woke up this morning trying to remember what day of the week it was and then realized it was Sunday, and had heard the forecast for Monday and Tuesday are 100-degree plus days, so Jim will be fighting it way worse than me. Air conditioner in the combine works really well. So summertime is back. I have enjoyed these nice cooler days though, and I know Jim has as well. Can you see the cracks in the road? It's so dry here. Okay, here we go. Look, a different kind of rider. I believe it's a praying mantis. All of you who do swathing, don't judge my rows. I kind of feel sorry for Matt having to try to follow where I've been. I tried though, I tried. I think Frank's enjoying the fact that he's back to work again. Day is about done again. some of these fields that I cut have some pretty deep ravines, so it's easier to cut the ravine out first and then go forward with my typical cutting. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I turned and saw the sunset. What a great way to end the day, right? Grain bin got full too fast. So we're ending the day anyway.